right, open what Nana got you. What is it?
Underwear.
Oh. What do you think?
Good.
You like them?
Boys.
You see her face?
It's gross.
You don't like it?
It is an underwear boy.
That's yours.
Well, that's what I bought you.
I don't want it.
You don't want it?
I want another present.
You don't like it?
She said, I don't like this thing.
Because it's boy. I wish
She looks at her bag.
Well, there's nothing else in there. I'm sorry. That's all I got you.
Don't want. That's
Don't want it.
me.